Hi, this is Jamie for Gearbest. It's been a very long time from 2018 to here we are right now, which is already 2019. So this is my first review video. It's very special. Why is it special? As you can see on my left, so this is the new Gearbest look. This is the new Gearbest logo, the new Gearbest tone color, which, by the way, I'm actually in depth fear of balloons, so I will be spending my entire review video in indefinite fear. But let's moving on. Secondly, why is it special? Because of the phone. This is the first 2019 global launch cell phone at Gearbest.com, which is this one, CUBOT X19. So before I get into the specs, I'm going to show you something that's recently very popular color-wise. It happens among most of the famous Chinese-made brands or international brands, which is the color of a twilight. So as you can see, this one's actually already covered with a protective case, which, by the way, it's available within the box that came along with this CUBOT X19. So let me get rid of it. There you go. Very popular and pretty twilight color available at Gearbest.com. So I'm gonna put it back for a little while. We're gonna get into specs. 18:9 ratio. It's very important for screens like this, which is above 5.5-inch screen, to have an 18:9 ratio, because if it's still 16:9, it's gonna be very wide, very bulky. It's really hard for you to hold single-handed. It's proven, because I actually tried a phone with almost 6-inch and it's still 16:9. I can barely hold it with my phone. I have small hand, but still it's a lot of trouble. Moving on. 6 GB of RAM plus 64 GB of storage. Not as fancy as it sounds, but it does allow TF card expansion to 128 GB. Up-to-date Android 8.1 system stock version, by the way. Helio P23 CPU clocking in and 2.5 GHz. Fast enough, really good, very nice CPU, up-to-date. CUBOT X19 is actually branding and being marketing on its very nice camera quality. At the back, 16 megapixel plus a 2 megapixel rear camera, dual camera, and a flashlight. Front camera is an 8 megapixel camera. Together, it combines with its really nice up-to-date fast focus technology. It allows you to take very quick selfie with extremely high quality that can be zoomed in to 10 times or even 20. Live videos, video quality is definitely absolutely stunning. Probably not as good as a really nice expensive Canon camera, but it's definitely like top-notch kind of video quality. Finally, things that I care about so much in a phone, which is the battery. As you can see, definitely not a slim phone. It's even a little bit thick and a little bit bulky, but that's all because it is actually powered by a 4,000 mAh of battery capacity. Together, consider about its screen size, the resolution, the hardware, the software, the system, and everything. 4,000 mAh of battery in CUBOT X19 is definitely a very big capacity. You can run it one full day without charging easily. Even if you listen to the music 8 hours in a row, using social media platforms, chatting with your friends 8 hours in a row, I'm pretty sure it's gonna last. So all in all, CUBOT X19. It's not the type of top-notch, like cutting-edge kind of revolutionary phone. Spec-wise and system-wise, hardware-wise, cameras, screen size. It's already 2019. This is definitely not something that's revolutionary. But with that being said, everything inside, spec and everything, is definitely very well coordinated. So it has really big screen, big enough, good enough cameras, good enough CPUs, good enough systems, good camera, again. And it has a really big battery capacity that's more than enough. So I would still recommend it. Consider it's only around 120 bucks in US dollar. It's definitely cost effective, really budget friendly. So think about this. This is something that you should go for. CUBOT X19. So that's pretty much it for today's review. I'm very excited to be here for the first review in 2019. Don't forget about new brand identity. It's a very big deal of Gearbest.com. Don't forget to check out CUBOT X19, and do not forget, for the next review that I'll be doing, it's an extremely nostalgic and retro gaming machine. 400 games in one. So please stay with us and check out more of the next videos.